G'day everyone and welcome back to another episode of Conversion Nightmares. My name is John from Engine Scout, and in today's video we're not just going to be looking at an e-commerce store and how we can get more conversions, but how do we combine that with content marketing, bring the two together to really build up a powerful ecosystem to bring in loyal customers, repeat buyers, and ultimately increase that customer lifetime value. So let's dive in. So this is the store. It's called King of Cajun. They're selling Cajun seasoning for all your barbecues and meats and things like that. So straight away above the fold here, we're looking at conversions. They've got this video. It's quite slow playing, but biggest issue here is they're not showing the product at any point in this video. If you're going to do a video, I'm a fan of shooting videos, but if you're going to shoot videos, you've got to show the product itself, especially a product like this. It's a lifestyle, show the lifestyle. Have people at a cookout, at a barbecue, using the seasoning, show the product. It just can't be a video that doesn't show anywhere the product. So that's the first thing I'd want to change straight away. Ideally, I would just have this image here, you can see, just have the product and then, Louisiana style, Cajun seasoning, shop now. Moving down, okay, I like that they're trying to get the emails here, but I doubt this form is compelling anyone to enter their name and email address the way this form's been set up. It needs to be showing some sort of value. So that's where content marketing can really come in. So you can be offering, download our recipe guide and get all the recipe guides for Cajun seasoning. Could be 10% off a product. There's different things. I wouldn't even have that there at all. I would actually have it as an email pop-up. So when people are on the store, when they're sort of engaged, scroll down a little bit, pop it up. Hey, download our free Cajun seasoning recipe guidebook. Things like that. So that's what I'll be adding here. Okay, they've got Cajun recipes and seasoning, but none of these are clickable. So, you've got to have, if you're going to showcase this, you should be able to make a click and I should be able to view like a whole hub of different Cajun recipes. So I like where they're heading. This store's sort of halfway where it needs to be. Then you've got all the products down here. That's fine. So let's look at some of the products. I do like that they're getting some reviews. I'm going to want to see, you could definitely want to have more reviews. That's a huge conversion factor. One thing that struck me out as well is they've got the Facebook page here, which is nice. I like that, 471 likes, showing social proof, confirming it's a real business. But it does bother me that the last post was 4 months ago. So if I'm a customer and I'm seeing that the owner of this store isn't regularly, at least once a month or something, has this business collapsed? Is it even working? The product itself looks amazing. So I just think there's a few things here they want to showcase and improve. So let's have a look at the product itself. The first thing that struck me as a buyer I want to see the size. Like, there's no way I can tell how big is this actual. I know they've got sizes here, large and small, but show 300 grams or however large the seasoning is. Showcase that. Also, point form. What's this seasoning for? Is it better for seafood? Better for chicken? Things like that. I like that there's no MSG, but just highlight all those benefits there. They should be clearly listed here. Potentially, you could even have a video here, like using this exact seasoning on a food. Get people excited about the product and want them to. They should be wanting to buy it so they can use it for their cooking. That's the thing I'd be looking at there. Another issue that bothered me with the conversions is the shipping price. So I just went through and put in one of the small Cajun seasonings for $6, and the shipping price is $13.45. So that's going to stop a lot of people. They're not going to want to do that. No one likes to pay that high shipping rate. So I understand it's really hard to get down, but I would probably most likely, can we increase the price here and perhaps get this shipping price to just at least under $10? So it's like $9.90. Psychologically, that's just a much easier number to look at as opposed to $13.45. So you still get the same price, just adjust the price there. Or if that's not going to work, perhaps you might have to bundle the products up. So it's 3 seasonings, instead of just one. So that's another thing I'd like to, I'll definitely focus on. Now, what I want to do is now talk about how do we combine content marketing with this store to really, start to build up a loyal fan base. Now, they're sort of already on that path with Cajun recipes, but I would create an entire hub about, all different amazing recipes here. Cajun chicken, have amazing, more images of the product, perhaps even video, definitely videos actually. Look at videos, YouTube videos. So just build out way more recipe ideas, and then you can even have that as a content download, as I mentioned before, so people can download the recipe guide. And then this is powerful because with this kind of content, then they can take it to prospecting across Facebook, and then start targeting people who are interested in cooking, interested in this sort of Southern style Cajun barbecues, and get them to download recipes, capture their email, and then you can start building that community up. And another really powerful content example would be something like this. So these guys here, Barlow Barbecue, you'd want to do the same with King of Cajun, and start putting together all these really cool videos of cooking recipes. Start to build that fan base. And when you do that and you've combined it, you capture people's emails, you showcase it, you prospect across Facebook, you're going to have all these repeat customers coming back. They're going to want to get more recipes each year. They'll keep buying your products because your products are featured in all the recipes that you showcase. And that's how you can really build up a powerful e-commerce sales machine. Hey, thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to get your own CRO teardown, the link is in the description below. And if you want to see more great e-commerce content we'll be releasing on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.